Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the latest update of Fix 8, there's a new feature that lets you turn off road VFX effects that can be distracting or uncomfortable for your eyes while playing the game. First just open first just op, First just open the settings and then just scroll down, and then in here you can just enable disable road VFX to turn off the effects from your own fishing rod, or if you are also disturbed by effects from others player, just enable disable other rod VFX as well over here. Just tap on the button until it changes to red like this. And just like that, all rod visual effect will be disabled. And now you can fish comfortably with a cleaner screen and no distracting effects. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.